All right, in this lesson we're going to learn how to make internal links and external links. An internal link would go to a page that you've created. An external link would go to a page that you did not create, such as google.com. You can even link images by putting the image code instead of text. And the important thing you want to remember when you're doing links, you always give the directions. You start with the folder, then you list the file, and make sure you include the file extension like .html. And then we'll give them something to click on by typing text here. So let's start by practicing how to do a few links. We're going to put this in our body text. We want people to be able to see it. href equals the quotation marks. Then we give directions to the file. And over here in my file manager I can see that right next to L6 is a file called L5, so I'm going to give directions to that file. L5.html, quotation marks, close it off. When I click over here I don't see anything, so I still need to add text. And now you can see a hyperlink. If I wanted to add a link to a file that's not in this folder, I'm going to have to type .. which means, hey, jump out of the folder you're in and then go look for this file. So I'm going to link it to my index, put my quotation marks. When I click over here, nothing showed up, so I've got to type . And it showed up side by side. If I want space between these two, I can simply add a break tag, and it will jump that link down to the next line. You can also add an external hyperlink, which will take you to a file outside of this. And you can do that by adding in the full URL. Close it off. When I click over here, nothing showed up, so I've got to actually click there and add some text. My link is beside it, so I can always add the break tag to move it to the next line. And there we go. If you want to link something to a picture, you can throw a picture in here. Maybe instead of having text for my L5, I would like it to be a picture instead, so I would just put the image code there instead. img src equals images / and then over here I can look to see a name of a picture I have. Let's try a cloud. Add the alt text. And now let's test out what we've done. So I'm going to save it, preview it, preview in browser, Chrome. First link works. My second link works. And my third link works.